Want to access Google Gemini AI right from your terminal? In this quick guide, you'll learn how to install and use the official Gemini CLI, completely free and open source. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Google Gemini CLI. Click on the first link, which leads to Google's official documentation. Scroll down to explore how Gemini CLI works. You'll see that it offers up to 60 requests per minute and 1,000 per day free of charge. Now click on the Try It Now button. It will redirect to the GitHub page. On GitHub, scroll down and find the install command. Just copy this line. Now open your terminal and paste the command to begin installation. Once installed, you'll be asked to pick a color theme and then to authenticate. Use your Google account to sign in. This enables full access to Gemini's free usage limits. Now type Gemini to launch the CLI. You can start typing prompts directly. Gemini will respond with full code and explanations instantly. You can also run Gemini CLI inside VS Code's terminal. Just open a terminal, type Gemini, and use it as usual. And that's it. Gemini CLI is a powerful free tool for AI coding, answering, and more right from your terminal. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below.